Hi girls. Today we're going to do a quick outfit of the day, but first we're going to do a follow-up on a bag that I showed you last year. This is my Ainifeel Croco embossed patent leather bag, and I got it on Amazon, and a lot of you guys really liked it, but I have noticed some wear and tear, so I thought I'd do this little follow-up just so you know what happened over time. And as you can see, overall the bag looks great. I'm going to show you all the sides, and you can see the color is really vibrant. It hasn't changed at all. It still has the little feet on the bottom so you can put it down and the bottom of your bag is protected. I have this little scarf or twilly that goes with it, but the problem is the handles. The handles have really started to wear. And I didn't wear it over the winter, but I did wear it almost the entire spring and summer of last year. And you can see that it's worn. And doesn't really bother me. There's the interior of the bag. But I just thought I'd show you in case you were thinking of a new spring bag. This one is a great buy, but it does not wear extremely well. It's maybe good for a couple of seasons, and then you may decide you don't want to use it anymore. One thing I could have done that I didn't do is use the scarf or the twilly to wrap around the handles. Now, I don't really like that look, so I didn't do it. But what some people do is they'll tie a little knot and they'll wrap the handles from the get-go, and that would have protected them. I probably didn't do that just right, but you kind of get the idea. It goes all the way up and around, and it makes a cute little handle protector that matches the bag. But I didn't do that, so I did get some wear and tear. So now I'm going to show you my outfit of the day, and what I did was I put on something pastel. It's springtime. I thought you might like to look through your closet. Choose something in pale yellow, powder blue. If you like pink, that's great. If pink isn't your color, maybe a peach would work for you. But pick out something, whether it's a dress or a pair of pants or a little top in a pastel color, and see if that makes you feel more summery. And also remember, if you're going out to dinner or you're going on a little date, wear your jewelry, because when you sit down at the table, people see the upper body. They see your necklaces. They see your earrings. They see your bracelets and your rings. And if you talk with your hands like I do, they're gonna see your watch, your wedding ring. So just kind of pile it on, have some fun, enjoy your jewelry, and you'll really sparkle when you go out. So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna show you the outfit. I did find this on Amazon and I just love it. I'll link the outfit below if it's still available. I got it last year, and I also got these shoes on Amazon too. So you can see they're a pretty good match to the dress, and it kind of ties the whole outfit together. So I hope you like it. I'm going to do a little spin so you can see the back, and then you can go look through your closet or go look online and find something for you. Bye, girls.